Hey friends, if you wish to install Disney Plus Hotstar on Windows 11, then as of mid 2026, here's the procedure because they've removed the Hotstar app from Microsoft Store. So I have an alternative for you. Simply open Microsoft Edge and paste it here and hit enter. Okay, now we'll go to hotstar.com, or if you want, you can select this disneyplus.com, whatever you prefer, or Disney Plus Hotstar. Okay, now here's what we have to do. Click on these three dots at the top right corner, select more tools, and then click on apps. Install the site as an app. Okay, and then give it the name and click on install, and then click on OK. So it has been installed on your system, and anytime you wish to access it, just search for it, and then you can open the app from here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.